Testing, testing, 1, 2. Are we live? I think we're live. Good morning, fellas. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we doing on this fine morning? You know what I just realized? Well, too bad, too late, too late. Unless... Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning. We have... So, we're done on our Apex accounts. We're kind of done for the day on our Apex accounts. Had a good overnight session again. Knock on wood, but caught some. The first trade I took was this one right here. That was a good start to the day and a good start to the overnight session. Anyway, we are locked out of our Apex accounts, so I am going to trade. I had to decide, what am I going to do? If I traded overnight again, of course I did. Of course I did, Matty Matt. I do it every time. Good morning, Aluatosin. We're going to trade a Lucid account this morning. Black Coffee, good morning. Jake, Dell, Vincent, and Ella. Amakre, good morning. Diego, Ronix, good morning. Terry W, Fred Yeager, Jim O, Jack Wiley, good morning. Niles, good morning. Mr. Wall Street, Tanush, good morning. Diego, Martin Conrad, Aluatosin, Matty Matt, good morning. Bruce Lee, John, good. John, actually, that's a great idea, John. Let me go grab some fast track trading accounts. I heard they have a 99% discount. Yes, Timbo, Best Guest Trading, Golf Guy Mike, Alberto, Jose, Mark, good morning. But yeah, we are going to be trading Quant Tower. Because we have to. It's the only way we can it's the only option we got. It just seems like yesterday, said John, you still have your Kohl's card. Good times, John. Good times. Good times indeed. You know what? I need to update. I forgot. Hang on, guys. Hang on. All right, market pulling back here right at the open. All right, let me... Wow, look at this. Okay, we're back up above the 480, 490s here. Trying to get above the 500s. I'm gonna struggle. I'm so used to looking at this screen. You know what I might do? I think I'm going to change something here. Let me do this. I need to change this. I'm not going to get used to this. Shoot. How am I going to do this? Does Lucid Rhythmic not work on Ninja? It doesn't, Tinush. It doesn't. Yeah, it kind of sucks. Hang on, guys. I need to figure out. Actually, you know what? Let's just do this. Now, I just need to... Give me a minute. Let me get my stuff in order here. Wow, this market is ripping straight up. It's fine. I'm not interested right now in this. All right. Let me just get my ducks in a row here. Okay. Okay, this is better. Now I can actually... now I will look at the correct screen. All right, we are going to be trading Lucid. So, first of all, we locked in our Lucid payout. So tonight I'll be requesting... how much am I going to request here? Let me look. Wow, look at this rip. 540s now. Wow. That's crazy. What an absolute rip here. Man. I mean, at some point it's gonna pull back, right? I'm still not fully like used to Quant Tower. So just bear with me today because like we have prior resistance here, the 520s, and now we're just ripping straight through it. Wow. What a crazy move. Okay, now getting a pullback. Let's see. All right, I think I'm good. All right. Do I have the right account here selected? I do. We're going to be trading 2 minis. So basically the goal today on this Lucid account is to start out with a good first day, which means around $1,200-$1,500. That's the goal. Let's see what this is going to do. I mean, this has been pretty wild ride so far this morning. Hey, Ace Undercover, good morning. Micro Player, good morning. But yeah, we're so the Lucid accounts, let me just look here exactly. I think I'm actually able to request. Man, we just continue to pull back here. It's crazy. I am happy to just sit on the sidelines on this one. So these are my Lucid accounts. This account here. So this account here I've had for, well, let's just look. I've had this account for quite some time. This is all of August. August or July 17th is when we got this account. We hit the data loss limit once. But we recovered. This is like insane. Like, this is insane. We had the month of August on this Lucid account. We literally had 0 red days. Unreal. And then now we're right here. But I've taken, on this account, I've taken 1, 2, 3. I'm ready to take my 4th payout. No, is that right? Let me look. Payouts on this account. This is direct 6. Yeah, so I'm ready to take my 4th payout, which means I can take out 100. I can take out 3,500. Yeah, I can take out 3,500 on this account, and I can take out 3,000 on this account. So, okay, so we can take out 6,500. We can withdraw 6,500 tonight. So because we're able to withdraw, I decided, you know what? It's kind of important. It's kind of important that I build my Lucid trading accounts as much as possible, because if I take that first account, I don't want to request my 6th payout until I kind of have 5 accounts, because once I request that 6th payout from Lucid, they're going to move me to a live account, and then all of my whatever balances I have in my accounts will get moved to the live account. So, or I think that's how Lucid does it. I might have to check that, but man, look at this move. Look at this. Man, that's crazy. We literally V-shaped it. I am so glad that I did not take this trade, because I would have taken I would have gotten trapped 100%. Now, right here at the bottom at the 470s, I might take a stab here. It feels like the market moves differently on Quant Tower, doesn't it? Like, it seems like the movement is different. Nutty does not share his top-notch strategy on live stream. Actually, you know what the difference is on that Lucid account? Those are literally my first trades I take in the overnight session. I think that's the secret. The overnight trading is the secret. But I don't have no secret strategy, trust me. Because if I did, I would use it on all my accounts. I got out too soon on that move. Man, did anyone catch? Did anybody catch this move? Like, we had literally went from the 470s, 540s, and then right back down. This is not the price action that I like. But I might actually take a stab here. Ugh. I kind of want to see if we reattempt. Like, I want to see us attempt to go lower and fail. Is what I would like to see here. I want to see what happens here. This could just be a bear. Like, this could just be stair-stepping it down. And now if we lose these lows, look out. You could almost do a breakout trade here below the 460s. Because if we lose the 460, 450s, then we could be in for a little bit of a move lower. Or we bounce right off of this 460 again and just rip it straight back up. Those are the two options. All right. Okay, we had news. Did we have news at 5? Sorry, I think I remember. Oh, yeah, we did. We have 10 o'clock ISM. So 10 o'clock, we do have numbers. That's going to be important. Wow, this looks like we're just going to go right back up. Are you serious? All right, I want to look at this. I need to look at my 4-hour chart. We need to switch to Ninja for this. Man, I don't know. If we just keep trading in this little range here, feel like if we lose the 450s, I'm going to look for a short. Man, almost tempted to take a short here. I'm going to do it. I'm going to have my stop up here. Right now it's choppy. Gosh, this is so weird. Looking up here and trading Quant Tower. Do I have this right? I think I do. Yeah, I do. We might get stopped here. And we are going to get stopped. Yeah. I mean, this is, look, I guess we just keep going higher. Okay, why is this not canceling this order? Hello? That's weird. Is he gonna, now it's gonna go lower? Come on. Oh, we got shot in the tick. Come on, man. Now we're gonna go lower. Unbelievable. Man. This is Quant Tower. This is Quant Tower. Hey, Clyde, good morning. Do you dare trade while on your flight? Look at that. Now we're just, we literally got stopped out right at that level. Oh my word. How do I tell if how do I see my orders? Where do I look at that? I don't even want to see it, to be honest. That was dirty. What a dirty stop out, man. What a dirty, dirty, dirty move. We have news at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news should move this market. Okay, data series show executions. Show trades. There we go. Look at that. Look at that BS. That is some kind of dirty move. Look at that. We literally got stopped out at the 511s. Unbelievable. All right, it's fine. It's fine. We'll get plenty of opportunities here. I know, Fred. I kind of actually stopped looking at my entries and exits. I stopped doing it because it just kind of triggered me. It kind of triggers me a little bit. So you can't trade on Quant Tower. Yeah, Wall Street. Today's been a very whippy action day. I mean, this is violent. I don't know. I'm kind of looking for shorts. It depends a little bit on the news. I want to see what kind of news we have, but right now I want to see us go. If we lose the 450, 440 area, if we lose the 440 area, I want to look for a short. I think we could easily drop 100 points from that if we lose. If we lose the 440 area, I'm kind of looking for a short. But very, very choppy right now. Probably best just to wait. Let's not get chopped up here. I would really prefer not to hit the daily loss limit on this fresh Lucid account today. That would be nice. Quant Guard is now available for Trade of 8 connection. Actually, yes, it is. So I'll show you guys a little bit. So this is what it looks like. So Quant Tower or Quant Guard, that is, I'm still kind of testing it. I think there's still maybe some bugs, but right now, it is looking great. If you go to accounts, like you can see here, I've already locked myself out, and I love it. This is the account we're currently trading. But you have your risk templates, you got your dashboard, and if you go to connect, it's so easy to connect. You add a connection, you put in your Tradevate or whatever name you want, and then you just go connect with Tradevate, and it'll take you to a portal and sign into Tradevate, and you sign in, and boom, you're connected. It's very seamless right now, so I'm excited. Now, again, what I'm going to use Quant Guard the most for is to lock myself out. Like Quant Guard, locking myself out is one of the it's one of the most important features for me. Is like today, my Apex accounts, $1,100 in profit per account, and I can now lock myself out of those accounts, and I don't even contemplate trading those accounts again today. It doesn't even cross my mind, because I know I can't do it. So it just I don't know why, but that to me is such a big deal, especially when I'm green and you just get that. Like I take too many trades out of boredom late in the day. I get bored, and then I take a random trade, and a random trade turns into an absolute catastrophe. You can't get Tradeify connected. Interesting, Black Coffee. Huh. Yeah, I would reach out to QuantGuard on their Discord if you're ever having issues. I know he said that there might be some bugs, but he was getting them all sorted out. So all right, market. Are we going to lose this 460 area? Again, we have news at 10 o'clock. I'm not going to trade at least until we get that news. I'm kind of hoping we don't. Man, if we fall apart here, I'm going to have a difficult time not taking a short here. Isn't that a sign of unresolved mental trading issue if you need software to lock you out? I mean, maybe, but it's a way to train yourself to walk away, I guess. Or you can either admit that you have a problem and do something about it, or you can put your head in the sand and just pretend like it's all okay, and you can keep doing the same thing over and over again. If you don't have any issues with discipline, if you have no issues with discipline, you've got no issues at all with risk management, you never go on tilt, you never have any struggles with your mental side of trading, then you're right. You don't need QuantGuard 100%. Now, talk to me about someone that does not struggle with that. I've yet to find a trader that has their mental everything is fine. They don't ever struggle with nothing. They're just a robot. I've yet to find that person. So if you can put in protection and you put in things to help you with that, then why wouldn't you do it? Why wouldn't you do it? Man, what a we're bouncing off that 460 again. Whoo boy. Yeah, that's a great point, Frank Costanza. If you go to a traditional brick and mortar prop firm, guess what? They have training wheels on you as well. There's a reason they do that, because they know people need it. It happens to the best because he still started with it seen 2 days ago. Exactly, Mr. Wall Street. Like I said, I mean, I know I have struggles with it, so I'm not proud. I'm not too proud to admit that I've got issues, and I'll do whatever it takes to fix it. Clearing firms would have someone physically come down to the trading pit and remove people when they were having risk issues. Exactly, John. Exactly. Like if you're at a brick and mortar prop firm, they don't just let you handle your mental on your own and let you, like, they will literally lock yourself out, remove you, whatever it takes. So I don't really look at, if you use software to then do that for you, I don't see that as a weakness or like as a sign that you don't, that I don't know. I look at that as just being responsible. Wow, look at this. We have news coming out. Oh boys, hold on. A very choppy news here. Very choppy. Man, what are we doing here? Man, I want to go short here so bad. Ugh. Gotta be careful though. Gotta be careful. Do I just... Ugh. I'm taking it. This is me being a little reckless. Come on, market. Just drop it. You know you want to do it. We need a flash dump. Ugh. Dump it. Now dump it. Come on. You piece of garbage. Come on. It doesn't want to do it. Dump it. We gotta go. We might have to just kill this if this doesn't go soon. I don't like this. Dump it right here. Do it. Yes. All right, I'm going to take one off and just try to get one to run. Now dump. Keep going. Keep going. I don't want this to trap. I'm going to have to put my stop probably right here. I'm going to put my stop here. And hopefully we can get a run all the way down through the 400s is what I'm hoping for. Let me get to the 400s. Market is being very, very stubborn. Very stubborn here. Now go. Go. Man. This is where patience. All right, I'm going to just take it. It's not worth it. We'll take it. Yeah, you've got to talk to the NQ nicely. I forgot. Watch this. This is going to go right down to the 400s. Watch. It's probably going to just go directly straight down to the 400s. But we just did not have the conviction to hold. And there it is. 430s. Man, had to have a little more conviction. Hey, Design Knob. Sorry, I just now saw you. Design Knob, how's it going today, man? Joom is in the house. All right, now I just want to wait. If we get a little bit of, if we get a move back up into the 460s and we reject, I'm going to look for another short. I am glad that I had the conviction to take that short. It was a little bit of a risky trade because I hate taking a short at the bottom, right where we have prior support, but all right, market is just continuing lower now down to the 425s. Man, I wish I was still short. Feel like this is the part of trading where I struggle the most. When I am sitting here watching my trades, this is where I really could improve. Just having a little more conviction on my trades, where again, this is where it's so different in the overnight. In the overnight session, I allow the trade to work because I don't sit here watching it. All right, let's see if we retest that 460 level or not. Yeah, Eric, it is. It's there's a fine line between conviction and then also like one thing that actually really helps me think through my entries and my exits is okay. Like for example, this trade, I was short here. I'm right here. I need to just constantly be asking myself, would I go long? Would I be comfortable reversing my position here? And the answer would be no, a very clear no. And if it's a clear no, then keep holding. Like there's no reason really to get out then. But then there are times when, you know, hey, the trade is no longer valid, so get out. But that's the part of. Then I also remember that, hey, if you have nice profits, you can't, you know, take your profits, move on to the next trade. You can always re-enter. So I don't know. All right, let's see if we get a move back up into this 460 area. But it is one thing that is always, it's amazing to me how some traders, like I know people, and I've talked to enough traders where they look at it and they're like, wow, like it's just a different mentality where some traders have a hard time, like they hold too long. Like they will hold even if the trade is invalidated. Like if they go into profit and then it starts going against them, they have a hard time just accepting and closing out the trade. Where for me, I have a hard time just staying convicted and holding on to it for my target. But all right, let's see. 460s. I kind of want to see us stair step this down. It's all luck anyway. Actually, John, that is a very good point. The trailing drawdown rules have made me it actually never thought about that, but that is probably actually very true. Very true, because I started trading with Apex and I got very familiar with the trailing drawdown and how it works. And I never thought of that. I never thought about it like that, but that's actually very true. That is very true. That's why I always am like, if I'm $700-800 in profit, I'm just gonna take my profit. I'm just not gonna let that trade go all the way against me again. All right, we did not. Are we really just gonna dump this right now? Ugh. All right, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna short if this gets down below that 440. I want to see this dump. Come on, market. Give me new lows. Somehow we did not get filled on that. It has the potential to trap us too, so got to be careful. All right, we're in. Uh-oh. I don't like how that wicked. All right, come on, Bears. This has the potential of a trap. Like trapping the shorts here, but as long as we reject the 455s here, hopefully we can get another push lower. Come on, Bears, push it lower. The one day I'm bearish. Come on. Don't let me down. And we might. All right, we're out. It just doesn't look like it wants to do it. So now we wait. Now we wait. When I exit with a loss, I ask myself, would I do it again in the same situation? Yeah, that's a good. Yeah, John, exactly. Hey, good morning, Max90. Good morning. If I passed any evals just now, can I activate them at 5 p.m.? Panda FT, I'm sorry. Yeah, if you pass evals today, the promotion is not going to be valid. after noon today. Yeah, there it goes, right back up. That was a short, that was a trap for the shorts right here. I knew that might be the case, but let's see. See how we react here to the 470s, 465 area. It's tempting here to just short. All right, I might take this short here at the 460s. Come on. Give me a continuation here. Come on, market. This thing is being very difficult today. Dump it. Dump it. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Do not fail here again. We got to make new lows on this move. On this candle, we have to make new lows on this candle. Come on, keep going. That's it. We keep, we're back to break even. We're back to break even, baby. This might be a battle. Might be a battle today. All right, let's see. This looks, oh my stars. Dang. What were we what were we just talking about? Having conviction on your trade, man. All right, we breached the 415s. Let's see. Man, this market is very choppy. I got scared. I did. Hey. All right. I mean, this is also not terrible just to take your profits the way this market's been acting. Lock in those profits. We've been very choppy. It's hard to stay committed when we're this choppy. I need to go fill up my water bottle. I'll be right back. And we're back. All right, market. All right, market just, I mean, this is just very, very choppy price action here. And we chop right back up. It's crazy. Man, maybe I just... All right, I'm going to try it again. I'm not looking to get greedy here. I'm kind of banking on a rejection of the 450s here. It's what I'm hoping for. Come on. Ah, come on, market. You're killing me here. I don't know, man. I'm not liking this. Oh, come on. This is ugly. Trying to get that 450 rejection. Come on. We really need to get... Dump it. All right, I give up. I give up, market. Ay, ay, ay. Hello? Oh, man. No. No, no, no. Okay, we got to get out. Yeah. All right, market. We're gonna. I'm about to be. I'm getting frustrated. It's starting to feel like this wants to turn around. It's starting to feel like this wants to go higher. Market only goes up. Market only goes up. Ron, how does the consistency rule work for Apex? On the first 8 days, I was under 30%, but was denied for improper risk management on day 9. I made 40%, but I have enough total profit to cover that. Yeah, Ron, then you'll be fine. You should be fine then. It'll be your consistency resets once your payout is approved. All right, market. I mean, this is just looking like back up. Oh man, this is so hard to trade. No continuation. Lots of V-shaped moves. Crazy. Crazy, crazy market. Gosh. Hey, no problem, Ron. All right, do we get in on this pullback? Kind of tempted. If this rips all the way back down now, I'm going to have issues. All right. This is starting to. Come on. Need this thing to bounce. Come on now. I might need to bail. I don't like this. We're just died. Market just... Get in here, bulls. Rip this thing back up. If you want to go higher, let's go. Let's go. Keep going. That's it. Now go. Go. Oh, don't you reject. Don't do it. Oh. Keep going now. Go. Gosh, oh man. I don't know. This thing is just being very stubborn. Now rip it. Break those 500s. Break the 500s. Come on. There we go. I'm going to take profit here, the 500s. I think I'm going to try. All right, we'll take it. Wait, Matt, you guys want me to faceless stream trying to pass evals later? Why not, Matt? Why not? If I monitor the ES while trading NQ, I actually, no, I don't. I don't. By the way, guys, as you probably saw, we did not pass those Apex evals. I reset them in the afternoon and I tried again and I failed. I failed again, so I just gave up. We're gonna run with these 5 evals and we'll figure out the rest. We'll figure out the rest as we go. All right, here we go. 500's breached, and this is I think it's time to switch your bias. This looks like we're going higher. Man, I keep forgetting a very important. I keep forgetting a very important part of trading. Yeah, market only goes up. It sure seems like the market only goes higher. Mm. Mm. All right, 510s. We're right here at this double top here at the 510s. Whoops. All right, 514s trying to get above the 510s. Here we go, 515s. Right back up we go. Wow, 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 wow. All right, let me look at, I want to look at the Ninja Trader chart. Man, this is crazy. All right, now we are a 100-point move from the 420s here. Right back above the 520s. Man, I just don't know. I can't figure out this market. I don't know, man. What size do I trade? I saw someone type that, I thought. Hey, Cloud City HK, thank you. I appreciate it. That's the most honest and brave video I've ever seen on YouTube. Hey, Srinidhi, I appreciate it. Thank you. It's 1 point. Hey, yeah, exactly, Captain Crunch. We have a lot of very honestly, we have a lot of really good people in the chat and in this community as a whole. I really do appreciate it. Made a waypoint 4 to the 5 to get. I see. Hey, how we doing, JB? How many accounts do I have now? I mean, I have these 5 Apex accounts and I have these 3 Lucid trading accounts. So I have 8 funded accounts right now. That's it. Well, I do still have my Tradeify live account. It's still in maintenance. I actually have to, they locked me out. Tradeify locked me out of my live account on Tuesday. They said I have to schedule a coaching session before I can keep trading it. That'll be great. I can probably use a coaching session, to be honest. Thank you, David Knight. You guys are too kind. You're in long. I mean, if you're in long here, I mean, right now, I guess I wait till we pull back into the 500s. This is where I don't know. If this is going to be the new standard of price action for September, it's going to be a rough time. It's going to be difficult. I feel like the last even 4 or 5 months, my original strategy of continuation trading it's very difficult. Especially in the New York session. I feel like the continuation trades, the pullback entries are way better in the overnight session. In the New York session, there's just so many V-shaped moves. And then once the move starts, there's just no pullback. It's just straight up, straight down, or we go choppy sideways. I don't know. It's difficult. I have a difficult time kind of reading the price action the way it's been going, at least the last couple days for sure. Hey, Bullish Chimp, how we doing? Good to see you. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. You got in at 498. Let's go. Will it let you do the coaching on stream? That's actually a good idea. Kevin G, I could ask and I could record the session. I might actually do that, Kevin G. I might actually do that. I don't think that's a bad idea. Yeah, exactly, JB. It is. It's very true. Like it's very once you blow accounts, especially if you do like at the level that I blew them up earlier this week, like you don't forget that. It's a post-traumatic, you can definitely it can affect you. Honestly, the biggest issue is just your confidence. Like you got to get your confidence back up. Which right now, honestly, I mean, I know it's still early and it's only on day 2, so I'm not counting my chicks before they hatch here, but I've been very happy with how I've traded these 5 Apex accounts so far. So far it's actually been pretty, like, it's gone extremely well, but I know the real test will happen once I start a day in drawdown. Like, and then walking away on a red day is definitely going to be the biggest challenge on these accounts. So far, it's been easy because my trades have been okay. But yeah, John. So Tradeify makes you so it is a mandatory session because of the live account. So basically, because I have already blown one of the live accounts, this is my second live account, and I've not been trading the account well at all. So they locked me out and said, hey, let's do a coaching session before we can keep. I don't know. It is what it is. So it's because it's the live account. So I don't know, man. I don't know what we do if I blow this live account, which right now it's looking like, I mean, it's not looking good. It is not looking good at all. So I don't know where we go from here with Tradeify. I mean, I really like Tradeify. I know they've been teasing a couple things, and I'm hoping that they lift their max payout cap on sim funded. That, I don't know. I hope that's something that they consider, but we'll see. Yeah, JP, it's the shock of everything. What do they charge for a coaching session? It's mandatory. It's free. They've been slow in payouts. Tradeify has Roa trades. Are you talking about Tradeify Roa trades? What is the difference between a live account and a funded? I mean, it's really not anything different, but it's a live account, you know? You're on the actual markets. A few people complained. I see Roa trades. I see. What, like, do you have specifics? God, I mean, I love to know about it. I have not heard anything. But no rush, don't which Tradeify straight to funded do I prefer? Tom, I mean, I prefer the 150K accounts. I do prefer that. Do the live accounts have the same rules? So the live accounts have a daily loss limit, which, you know, that's the part I don't really agree with. Like, I think the daily loss limit should be the same amount that you have on your sim funded account. I definitely, I will die on that hill. Um, all right, we need to pay attention here. Oops, I almost placed a trade on the wrong account. Hang on. All right, we need to get in here. Let's get in. Whoa, you piece of. Oh my word, it didn't fill me. We didn't get filled. Get back down here and fill me. That's an order. You piece of trash. Are you serious? We didn't get filled. No. No. Do I just jump in here? Market. Why you'd be like this? Oh my goodness. That's infuriating. Ugh. I hate chasing a move. I hate it. But man, gotta be kidding me. I guess we might miss this. How is my personal live account going? No profit trader. Honestly, I locked myself out. I withdrew a large portion of, well, I basically withdrew most of my profits. I withdrew 25,000 and I'm not trading it right now. I actually might withdraw all of it. Anytime I start not trading well, then I just like to withdraw it and not even be tempted to trade it. But yeah, I've actually been thinking about doing that. How quick does Lucid move traders live? On your 6th payout, Barnabas. On your 6th payout. OCD kills you sometimes. It does, Faisal. It's definitely got me at times. Wanting to get an RV to travel in. My health is not good enough, so until that changes, I see. Yeah, getting old is not fun. All right, market. Yeah, now we're missing this whole move. That is so annoying. So annoying. I guess I should just mark it in. Maybe, I think Quant Tower is a little different than Ninja Trader, so I just need to mark it in when I want to trade. Do I prefer the 150K accounts with Apex? Does it take long to build up 20 accounts with them? Blur, I do prefer the 150s or the 50Ks. I prefer the 150s for now. And I mean, yeah, it does take a little bit longer. Yeah. Did Lucid ever add Tradeovate? Not yet. They said that Tradeovate is coming in October. You had the choice. Would you reset? If you had the choice, would you reset a take profit trader for $1,500 or 3 straight to funded Tradeify? I mean, I resetting take profit trader accounts for $1,500 is very, very, I feel like that's extreme. I know people do it. They go big and they try to get, you know, but man, I don't know. That is a difficult, to me, that's pretty risky. I would rather spread out my risk over a couple more accounts and trade them individually than to do one reset of $1,500. Me personally. MFU launched reset funded accounts for $199. Oh, really? The funny story for me, the only times I've gotten a take profit trader payout is after doing a pro reset. That's crazy. I mean, if you start doing pro resets, man, you can rack up some, that can get expensive. So you better be getting payouts if you start doing that. I mean, I feel like I've gotten a decent amount of payouts, and I mean, I have done the 50K resets like I think 3 times, but I mean, it's risky. It is a risky proposition. The only times that I really do it is when, like, if I'm having an extremely good month, I've gotten really a lot of payouts. Basically, if I've kind of got some money to burn, I'm feeling frisky, then maybe I'll reset a take profit trader account and try to run it up in one day, maybe. but I just that it disgusts and it upsets me too much. If I reset and blow it, that really gets me going. That's not a good time. All right, market. We're just hanging out up here at the 520s. I should make a Dean Bishop, I'll give you my Venmo whenever you got money to burn. Well, you know what I mean. You know, sometimes it's going well and you got, you know, like, hey, I got it. I don't mind if I lose $600. Like, I mean, I do mind, but the return on investment, I'm like, you know what? That's worth it. Let's try this. Oh, wow, Tom. So one time you made 12. Otherwise, it's all been negative. Then I would be more, yeah, I would be, I think it would be better to just wait. Be a little more patient. Okay, market. I might, you know what time of day it is? It's coming into that 11 o'clock hour. I'm doing it. Do not trap me, market. Am I going to get trapped on that little move? Come on. Don't be like this. Let's start the rollover at 11 o'clock. Come on. You know you want to do it. All right, let's see if we can get a breakdown below the 500s. I'm going to take one off here just because it's the 500s. I'm going to play the 11 o'clock reversal. That's what I'm going for here. Give me that 11 o'clock reversal. Your $38 windfall has been flagged by June. Please report to the risk management office. Yeah, exactly, John. That's what I'm thinking. 11 o'clock this last time, which means this is probably going to rip to new highs because I'm long. Oh, no, John, you're going to long it? No. Are you using the essential chart tools indicator from affordable indicators? I'm interested in purchasing, but don't want to spend $2K for the full suite. Just want to mimic what you have. Jeff Suite. I mean, first of all, that is very, very expensive. I would use the basic chart trader. I think I purchased the original basic chart trader, and then they upgraded me just out of the goodness of their heart. So would I spend 2K on that? I would not. I would not. But the basic chart trader should give you the same thing. That will work. Like, you'll have what you need, unless you plan to do some kind of automated trading strategy. Like, there's no need for the advanced version. in my humble opinion. I'm on market. Just fall apart like you've always done at 11 o'clock. That's all I ask. One time. One time. Fall apart. Give me all the way back down like to the 460s. It's probably going to go higher, of course. Any news about if Quant Guard is already available for TradeAway accounts? They are. They do have Quant Guard does have TradeAway available as an option. I know they were experiencing some bugs this morning. I don't know if they've been resolved or not, but he was working on getting them resolved. So I think, let me just see if I have any messages. Yeah, it looks like he's still working on getting some of the bugs fixed. So I would wait for now. All right, market, we got to pay attention here. You are so annoying me right now, market. Getting annoyed. Do I want to? You got to be kidding me. Nothing a little DCA won't fix. Come on, market. It's so annoying. I might get... Well, this is unfortunate. We are going to get destroyed here. Got to be patient just in case this is a wick. Come on, market. Just dump. I don't like this. Probably need to just bail. Oh. Back up we go. We're not getting 11 o'clock reversal today. Not today. Of course, the one day that I decide to, all right, let's see if we do it. Nope, not today. We're going to just rip higher. That's it at 0. Nice trade. That's fine. And it's looking like we just want to go higher. Should we really test it? And I'll go long. Let's really test out that theory. Do you know people in your personal life who are earning a living from prop firms that don't do social media at all? I mean, I don't know a lot of people like personally that trade prop firms, period. I think I know one person. I know one person right now, and they have over 100,000 in payouts. So yeah, I know they're profitable. So I guess, but I mean, the list is very, very short. I literally know one person. I don't know a whole lot of people that are, that are doing this. So it's kind of hard to say. Hey, John says, don't go long. Well, John, I got a proposition for you. How much is it worth to you? How much is it worth? Hey, Tuan, that's awesome. I don't think that is. I don't think that's extortion, but got to make a living somehow, John. Got to make a living somehow. Man, I might actually do it. I'm dead serious. I might go long. I want to test the universe. I want to test the universe. Okay, I'm not joking when I say oh my word, am I gonna do it? I feel like this is gonna break. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ah. Have I ever had issues with Apex payouts, BPC trades? No. I mean, I've gotten denied before, but I broke the rules. If I didn't break the rules, I got paid. Does Tradecopia lock you out when you hit day? I don't know, Roa Trades. I'm not sure. He's part owner of the company. I wish. I wish. I hate you, market. I do. I don't like you. No problem for. Yeah, you're funny, Niles. You're funny. Uh. All right. Do I? Gosh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, John. I'm really sorry. I apologize in advance. This is probably gonna dump now. You piece of garbage. Trash can. Get out, John. That's all I'm saying. Get out now. Get out now. You've been warned. You have been warned. Come on, market. This is now starting to reflect 11 o'clock. Seriously, market. This market is testing my patience today. Jeez. Jeez, Louise. Cannot seem to get it right. I just don't like this one bit. Ugh. Probably stupid to go in up here at the highs, double top. Gotta be kidding me. Just. What the? So. Gotta be kidding me. You see that? Did you see that fill? That was such a. What kind of BS was that? I literally filled right here. And it literally filled me, what was it, 10 points lower? Like, what kind of trash was that? It's unreal. Whew. I knew it. 11 a.m. reversal is going to happen now. Of course. After I get stopped out and go long. Go figure. That's what we call a June fill. Exactly. That is exactly what that was. Trash. I mean, what happened here? We went from the 535s to the 500s in literally 5 seconds. I'm about to short the living daylights out of this thing. Unbelievable. I'm just over it. Oh my word. I'm starting to get a very strong desire to go golfing. Strong desire. This is when I'm very, very thankful that I'm locked out of my Apex accounts. Just very, very maddening. Just gotta be kidding me. All right, I give up. I'm out. I give up. How do I lock my Apex with Quant Guard row of trades? I'm out. This market can just go fall off a cliff. Go just get lost. I'm not a big fan. Stupid. I'm out. I am out. Gosh, that's so maddening. Literally getting chopped to pieces in between this range. I should know better. But I got trapped in shorts, then longs, then shorts, and then longs. Insane. I'm out of here. It is ugly. All right, I'm out of here, guys. I hope you guys, I don't know. It's gonna be difficult to recover this Lucid account, which really sucks. I'm kind of upset about this Lucid account. Everything else is fine. We'll be requesting a payout of 6,500 on these Lucid accounts. Look at this. Just a straight rip down to the 500s, and now we're just straight back up to the 35s. Like, what kind of trash? I don't get it, man. I'm out. All right, I'm out. I'm gonna go play some golf. I am locked out of my Apex accounts, thankfully. So I got nothing else to trade today. All right, everybody. I appreciate you guys. Take care. We'll be back tomorrow. And God bless.